A birthday celebration 200 years in the making is happening tonight at Bradley Middle School, and you and your family are invited. The Mill Springs Cabin will turn 200 with a ribbon cutting, tours of the facility, and plenty of games, food, and fun for visitors of all ages this evening from 6 to 8:30. If you're unfamiliar with the Mill Springs Cabin, this one-of-a-kind facility lets our students get their hands on history. This authentic log cabin was moved log by log from Kentucky to its new home on the Bradley campus, and thousands of students have experienced living history since it opened in 1999. More than 20 years later, the complex is still growing. Tonight, we'll officially open Delgado Saddle Shop and the K-BUC Radio Station with a ribbon-cutting ceremony, and Bradley 7th graders will lead tours through the cabin, general store, schoolhouse, trading post, and museum. The National Park Service will also be there with activities and artifacts for families throughout the cabin grounds. Please join us for a night full of food, fun, and Texas history tonight at the Mill Springs Cabin Complex. In the spirit of celebration next week, we'll recognize our outstanding Northeast ISD partners in education. These businesses, community groups, and individuals donate their time, money, expertise, services, and support across any ISD. Their impact on our students, teachers, and community is priceless. I'm excited to join the Northeast Educational Foundation in saying thank you next week. If you would like to view any of my previous parent messages, you can do so at the link below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around the district.